Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add shadow effect on a picture in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Word, and as you can see, I have edited my picture to this document, and I'm going to show you how we can add shadow effect to this picture. First of all, we can click on the picture we want to add it, and then we can go to the picture format right here and go to the picture effect. And since we want to add shadow effect, we can choose shadow. And here we will have some categories. We can select outer, inner, or perspective. And I'm going to show you the effect. I'm going to try outer. Okay, this is how the outer looks like. And then I'm going to try inner as well. Okay, and the perspective like this. And you can choose the effect which is suitable for your picture. And for me, I'm going to choose the outer. I'm going to select this one for instance. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add shadow effect on a picture in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!